Yo boys and girls ඉතින් සාදරයෙන් ආදරයෙන් පිළිගන්නවා තවත් අලුත් travel vlog එකකට. ඉතින් මේක අපි කියන්නේ plan කරලා කරේ ගියපු ගමනක් නෙමෙයි. ඒකින්ද මට tripod එකක් ගෙනියන්න බැරුණා කතා කරන්නේ නැහැ මම මේකේ. ඉතින් ඒකින්ද මම voice වෙනම voice එක දැම්මේ. ඉතින් අපි වණ්ඩාල්ල මේ view point එකකට තමයි යන්න යන්නේ. බලන් යන්න vlog එක. subscribe කරලා නැත්නම් subscribe කරගන්න. මේකට පස්සේ සුපිරි වීඩියෝ එකක් එන්න තියෙනවා. ඉතින් එහෙනම් subscribe කරලා තියාගන්න.
Looking for a piece of mind. I've been trying to redefine life. I can see the signs. Word is going, see me shine. Fighting for my soul, say whipping fast, no brakes. Nothing's ever been a waste. Now that I've been wide awake, Luke's trying to pull me back in. I was stuck for a minute and forgot the passion. Since the lights turned on, it's been camera action, and you start to see it all like a chain reaction. Watch it happen, yeah. Swear that I'ma find my way. Past been gone, I'ma watch it all fade. Whoa, guess I'm going MIA from everybody's problems. Oh, guess I'm locked in, guess I'm locked in. I got this, and it's on my soul. Guess I'm locked in, guess I'm locked in. I got this, and that's on my soul. Time's moving, I've been losing track of where I've been. Had to quiet all the voices living in my head. I see the riches of the world, I'm not impressed. Know that I'm far from perfect, but trying my best. Looking up to the sky, feeling grateful. Boy, I had to walk away from the fake road. Can't believe I'm still here on my way to find out the truth. Swear that I'ma find my way. Past been gone, I'ma watch it all fade. Whoa, guess I'm going MIA from everybody's problems. Oh, guess I'm locked in, guess I'm locked in. I got this, and it's on my soul. Guess I'm locked in, guess I'm locked in. I got this, and that's on my soul.
හරියාලනේ අපිට පොරෝවලට එන්න එච්චරලා ගියේ නෑ. ඒ වගේම මේ එද්දී විශේෂයෙන් එහෙම හම්බුනෙත් නෑ. ඒකයි පොඩ්ඩක් vlog එක විනාඩි 5ක් වගේ වෙන්නේ. ඉතින් ඉස්සරහට vlog එක බලන් යන්න.
Fresh like the morning, mouth wide open like they yawning. Every time they see me, they in G-Shock. Homie, this is too far. Homie, I feel too alive. You can see me like Illuminati. You can see me like Illuminati. But I'm shining so bright, so bright. Don't come and try to share some of this light, no. Give me a beat and I control it like a maestro. Ladies on a mission, they be trying to get me wiped up. Shawty, wait a minute, can't tell if I like ya. Gotta make sure you know how to shake it like a bartender. Team with me and they all winners. And you know we ballin' all winter, all summer. Jewelry around my neck is lightning, but I'm all thunder. Keep coming with it. Keep coming with it. Keep coming with it. Place your bets on us. Get your money and flip it, yeah. Keep coming with it. Keep coming with it. Keep coming with it. Place your bets on us. Get your money and flip it. Bring a friend and come along. Don't be taking too long. The vibe's too strong. If you don't know how to move, then we moving on. Ain't no way rhythmic feet up in this place if you can't catch the feeling.
මෙතන නම් මේ පැත්ත බලුවම අපිට පේනවා මහමෙවුනා අසපුව. ඕගොල්ලෝ නම් මොන නමින් හඳුන්වනවද කියන්නේ දන්නේ නැහැ. මේක කොහමරි ප්‍රසිද්ධ වුණා ගොඩක්. ඊට පස්සේ කොහමරි අපි වම් පැත්ත බලද්දී අපිට මෙතන නම් පේනවා බණ්ඩාරල ටවුන් එක.
Silence louder now than a million gods. I seen kings fall quick for a hit on a rail. Seen queens trade crowns pounds for a 6-figure deal. I don't blame them, I just pray for them. We all one mistake from the cage out the graveyard. Living like a movie, but the credits never roll. They gon' crop you out the frame if you ever lose control. Talk truth, they call it hate, but the fake love louder than an 8. Every scar got a sermon in it, every L got a learning in it. I ain't perfect, I just pin it how I lived it. If the game rigged, then I still pivot. Mirror, mirror on the wall, tell me who gon' rise.